I really warmly invite you to join us for an exploration of connection, community, and the celebration of our body. This is a space in which we can meet together to connect and enjoy exploring, giving and receiving touch. If you've been to these workshops before, these last few sessions will be slightly different to the ones that you did previously. We're now really focusing in on the aspect of consent and co-creating the process of giving and receiving. So in your pairs, you'll be using this simple question. For the next 5-10 minutes, how, for your pleasure, would you like to be touched? And so this is exploring this whole area of how do we come into connection with another, rather than a fixed sequence of techniques being demonstrated and you having no opportunity to move outside of that sequence in your pairing. You will sit present to your partner. You will feel, how does this relational connection feel with this other man? How do I want to be touched by them? What do I want to ask for? You'll make your request, and your partner who is giving touch will also check in with themselves. Is this within my boundary of consent for what I can give? If it is, then it will be a yes. If it isn't, then there'll be a request for you to refine your request. And so we explore this process of discussing, feeling into what it is you want to ask for, what it is the other person feels comfortable agreeing to and offering. If you're someone that always tends to say yes to people, then this is a very useful practice to then know that you can say no. If you're someone that waits for things to happen to you, then this is a very useful practice to explore actually asking how you want to be touched. Maybe you don't even know, but you can start to explore. It's like, well, maybe, yes, maybe I'd like you to just run your fingers across my chest and down to my tummy. Just slow, gentle, caressing movements. We work together in pairs. And so over the 10 minutes of that process of giving, you'll be asked again, how is this? Is there any way this could be even better for you? And then you may have reached a point where like, actually this touch has been wonderful, but now I prefer if you started to do a firmer massage and squeeze into my shoulders, releasing some tension there. So in that way, you notice how consent changes. Consent and the requests that you are making can adapt to the situation. The way the workshop is structured is that we start in a circle with some sharing so that we connect. We go into a series of shorter exercises together in pairs to create a feeling of connection, trust, exploring simple practices of simply gazing into your partner's eyes for a few moments, sitting back to back, connecting through the breath. Simple exercises that help us to feel safe in the space, safe exploring connection. We then go into a slow undressing ritual where, again, we work in pairs and we take turns to slowly take off the upper part of our clothing and then in another pair, the lower part of our clothing. This is all demonstrated and it's a type of slow, sensual foreplay. It's an education in foreplay. How can undressing be part of a sensual experience of coming into connection with another man? How can we slow down? How can we enjoy the connection that we have with another? How can sex be more than 15 minutes of fast and furious fumbling? a climax and then it's over? How can we make our connection with another man something that may last an hour, 2 hours, as we slowly explore touch, undressing, coming into connection, being present in our heart, requesting from a place of an authentic desire within us to be touched by the other in a way that feels nurturing and caring and exciting and sensuous. And so as these workshops continue into next year, we can really see them almost as a type of sex education, the sex education you didn't get at school. How do we come into erotic connection with ourselves and with another in a way that feels fulfilling, satisfying, that leaves us with a sense of contentment and joy in our bodies? Over the workshop, you work with around 7 men in different pairings as we do the different exchanges, as well as the shorter pairings that you did at the beginning. So you roughly get to work with nearly everyone in the workshop. There's between 18 to 20 men generally at each workshop. By the end of the workshop, it's nearly always the case that whereas everyone arrived sitting in silence, not really wanting to talk, by the end of the workshop, everyone's naked, hanging around, chatting to each other, very comfortable, having connected in a few pairs and just lying, hugging, chatting. And it's so beautiful to see that this is how we can be together. A sense of ease, connection, joy. There's always an emphasis that in these workshops, we're not looking for our next husband. We're not looking for the ideal body to work with. We're giving from our heart. We're connecting from our heart. We're being with each partner as best as we can with an open heart, meeting them as they are and seeing, how can I meet this other man with kindness? This other man may not be someone I would desire or would hook up with, but right now in this 10 minutes, how can I meet them with kindness so that they get to enjoy the experience of being present in their body? And I always emphasize this sense of kindness in each workshop. I think on the gay scene, we know how easy it is to be treated with disdain, to be ignored, to be overlooked. And perhaps sometimes we do that ourselves as well when we're with someone we don't find attractive. And so then instead we can see, okay, it's 10 minutes with this person. How do I be authentic in the yes that I give? And at the same time, how can I make sure that I do give a yes and I offer touch that is caring, sensual, erotic, but within my own boundaries of consent? So I hope that gives you a sense of what might be happening on the day. It's all about connection, care, sensuality, enjoying our bodies. And yes, we do work in a more erotic way. We are naked. You may find that you get an erection. You may find that your erection is being massaged. The only thing that we emphasize is that we don't ejaculate, and there are no exchanges of fluid and no penetration. But apart from that, we want to be able to work with the erection, work with that sexual energy, and then with the breath, circulate it into our body, move it through our body, using these tantric principles of connecting to the prana and bringing that prana up through the central channel and expanding it through our body so that we have a sense of vitality and life. I'll be guiding a few short meditations and breath works to help facilitate that during the day. So if any of that has made you curious, join us in Brixton on Saturday. The session starts at 2 p.m, doors open at 1:45, and it finishes at 7 p.m. So thank you for listening, and I look forward to seeing you there.